Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a photo in MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on your profile in the top right corner. Tap on the photo that you want to delete. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Then tap on Delete Photo option. And if you're sure, click on the Delete option. So that is how you can delete a photo in MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.